आय लिगात आयतारा चर्चिल ब्रदर्स आड मुंबई FC मॅच वास्कोच्या टिळक मैदानार जातली. ह्या सिजनाच्या पयले मॅचीत चर्चिल कोलकातात मोहन बागान आड हरिले, जाल्यार मुंबई FCन आपल्या उक्तावणाच्या मॅचीत DSK शिवाजी यांचाक हरयले. आता घरच्या मैदानार चर्चिल ह्या सिजनाचे पयले पॉइंट घेवपाक जीव तोडून खेळटले अशें कोच आल्फ्रेड फर्नांडीस म्हणटा.
Okay, regarding tomorrow's match, which is very important for us, being our home match. So, the away match against Mohan Bagan, though we dominated most of the 90 minutes, we were the one who were dominating for at least the 60-65 minutes. So we were lacking in firepower up front. So we had some issues with our foreign striker who could not accompany in the team. He had the documentation was not going through, and by the grace of God, he is available tomorrow, and I think tomorrow will be a very good day for us.
So I believe in attacking football and attacking attractive and effective football, and we have shown in our last match, in spite of all Indian players, against with a very strong team with the 4 foreigners, we never defended. Either we are winning and we get the goal in the first half 22nd minute, but throughout the game we were trying our best and playing attacking football. So I believe in attacking football, and I want to play my way, which I also played my time midfielder or striker. I like to attack, score goals, free kick. As everyone knows, dead ball specialist. Now my man is here, so hope he will also give beautiful goals and dangerous free kicks for us this season. So I believe in attacking football, and I want my team to play attacking football, and we'll try to do and improve every match by match and do it.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. नमस्कार.